Now let us look a carbon compound. How a carbon compound is formed by sharing of their valence electrons, or how carbon compounds are formed by forming covalent bonds. I wrote here one simplest carbon compound, methane. Methane is the simplest carbon compound. Its formula is CH4. CH4. It is used as a fuel. It is the main factor in biogas. Okay. Look here. Carbon. Its atomic number is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2, 4. Then hydrogen atom. Its electronic number is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1. Okay. Then I draw the electron dot structure of methane. From that we can understand how methane is formed by sharing of their valence electrons. Okay. Then first of all I draw carbon and its valence electrons. Okay. Its outermost shell occupies 4 electrons. And I draw each atoms of hydrogen. Look here. This is the electron or outermost electron of hydrogen atom. K. 4 hydrogen atoms are here. So we draw 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay. Then I draw the circle in this way. Then like this. This is the electron dot structure of methane. Methane means CH4. Here you can see carbon has its valence electron is 4. Then they are sharing their each electrons with hydrogen atoms. Okay. Here this electron is shared with shares with this hydrogen atom, and here with this hydrogen atom, and here with this hydrogen atom, and here with this hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atoms also attain its stability by sharing the electrons with the carbon. Okay, this is the electron dot structure of methane. It is the simplest carbon compound. Okay. Children, we can check another carbon compound, ethane. Ethane, its formula is C2H6. That is 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. I will draw the electron dot structure here so you can understand how ethane is formed. Okay. Then first of all draw carbon and its valence electrons. 2 carbon atoms are present in ethane. 4 valence electrons, and this is the valence electron of this carbon atom. Then draw the hydrogen atoms. Total 6 hydrogen atoms. This is the valence electron of hydrogen atom. 6 hydrogen atoms are present. Then draw like this. Okay. Then draw each circle around these ones. This is the electron dot structure of ethane, C2H6. Look here. This is this carbon atom attain its stability by sharing their valence electron with 3 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of carbon. 2, 4, 6, 8. This atom attain its octet. This also attains its octet. 2, 4, 6, 8. Each hydrogen atoms attain its stability by getting 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons in their valence shell. So, in this way, each atoms attain its stability. Okay. Children, today we discussed about carbon and bonding in carbon. We learned that how covalent compounds are formed by sharing of their valence electrons. Hope all of you understand, and you should practice with more examples. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.